out my current running trade on nasdaq. As you can see over there, we are currently in profits, deep within the blues, and this over here is my entry.
To get a trade like this as a beginner is very easy, and I'm going to show you how today, so that by the end of this video you can actually start to win trades again and again, and in the next 6 months you also be able to make $80,000, drive a Ferrari, and live the real life of a forex trader. To win with this strategy you need 3 moving averages. The first moving average period is 8, method exponential, apply to close and color red. This first moving average is this one that you have right here. It's a fast moving average. Every time the market goes up, it also goes up. When it goes down, it also goes down. So with this you also be able to get trades fast. The settings of this other moving average I'm going to give you throughout this actual video, so make sure you like this video and watch until the end. Getting a sniper entry and winning a trade is much simpler than you think, especially when you follow these 3 rules which I'm going to give you today. First, you need a low where the market has turned before and now it's below it, which means you will actually come back to this actual level again and then 10. These levels are available in the market. You can see another one right here, and also if you go back you can also see another one also right here. Let's use a random level. For example, this one which is close by, you can easily find it on S100. This is Monday, this is Tuesday, and then this is Wednesday. So this actual low was formed on Tuesday and then the market came back to it on Wednesday. Once you've marked this actual low and the market has come back to this actual level, you want to go to the smaller time frame. The smaller time frame that you use will depend on what type of a trader are you. Are you a scalper? Are you a day trader? Or are you a swing trader? So if you want to know the time frames to use to win each and every time, comment below what type of a trader are you, or what type of a trader you want to be. Now that you know the time frames to use, you want to wait for the market to come back to this actual level, which is this green line that you put on the higher time frame. You want to see the pair that you're trading coming to touch this actual level. When it touches this actual level, it must go down below the moving average. This is your first confirmation that the sellers which are at this actual level are actually pushing the market down. But don't just end randomly. You wait for the market to come to actually bounce on the moving average and then start to go down. Right here you can actually see the S100 actually went through this actual moving average and went back to this actual level where it also bounced back below. One thing that I actually learned with this actual strategy is patience, because you have to wait for what I'm about to show you in the next few seconds for you to actually win again and again and be able to make $80,000 each and every day, so that you can be able to live in hotels and travel all around the world enjoying your forex profits. Exactly what you want to see is the market coming back to this actual moving average and then start to go down below this actual candle which touched this actual moving average, and you can see that happened exactly right here. When entering early like this, your stop loss will be at the highest point where the market actually turned, which is above this actual high. On a small time frame, having an entry here and a stop loss here will seem like it's a big stop loss, and that's actually true. There is a secret trading tool that you can actually use to get entries right here so that you can actually reduce your risk, like the Fibonacci. If you want a video which actually shows more deeper about this actual trading tool and also how to get sniper entries using the Fibonacci, like this video and comment below Fib, and I'll give you this actual video which will actually help you to get sniper entries. But to keep this video as short as possible, you can still end right here and have your stop loss here, because also if you now go to a bigger time frame, you can now see that your risk is actually small, and also what you can actually get from this actual trade is very big. And from a trade like this, you can actually get a risk reward of 1:5, which means with a $10 account you can actually make $50 on this actual trade, and if you trade with $100 you can actually make $500 on this actual trade. Same as for $1,000, you can actually make $5,000 on the same trade. Now imagine if you now use a big account like 10,000 or 100,000, you can easily make $50,000 on a trade like this. This is actually how this is African trader is driving a Ferrari and staying in hotels each and every day, because when you spend money, tomorrow you also get another trade just like this one, which also make you double or even more. The settings of the second moving average period is 13, method exponential, apply to close and color blue. Then the settings of the third moving average period is 21, method exponential, apply to close and color black. These two moving averages, the blue one and the black one, are the ones which will tell you the direction where you must enter the trade. For example, when you have the blue moving average below the black moving average on the high time frame, when you now go to a smaller time frame, you only focus on entering a sell trade. If you found this video helpful, like this video and also subscribe to get more powerful strategies just like this one. This is Mobile Forex. See you on the next video.